Yeah, it's gonna be a dancing around.
Who wants to whack me?
Okay. Intrusive thought.
Does anybody want to make the next hall?
If you tell me where to put it.
I will.
Okay. But basically it's equal distance. So the ropes are the same length, right?
Yeah.
So the next hole is going to be somewhere here.
Okay.
Also, I don't want to be here.
And then just push down around the rope.
Can you just like
Oh,
measure
yeah.
it?
Can I
like,
just
yeah,
make
like
the
this?
whole trip?
Yeah. Would it be easier then to just like use the
One?
same distance here as like, you
I
know?
think in case there is inconsistencies in the
Yeah.
distance between the peg holes,
Yeah.
Oops.
like then the distance of the ropes and yeah, I don't know.
No,
We can.
probably
I
right.
think
Makes
so,
sense.
yeah.
I guess, yeah.
So it's one is measuring two.
Okay.
You need a
I'm going to
protractor.
say it's here.
Or is it compass? No, protractor.
Oh, maybe.
Oh, there you go. It's really committing.
Yeah.
No pressure, guys.
No. I'm sorry.
Is that big enough?
My
That
role
is
here
big enough,
is
and then you can
pushing
try to push through it like
Yeah,
it's
make
an
a
outside.
picture, you know.
I told you the best way to do is to still discussing about it.
Well, in
My
that
phone's on
case.
the table if you would use
We
mine.
will- Yeah, this is tricky.
I know.
I'm just standing here for moral support. There's a button on the right side of the, yeah. Oh yeah, a little camera.
Oh, it also takes pictures.